welcome back to our channel. So, hope you guys are doing well, staying at home and staying safe. So, today we are going to do our eye makeup look, a smoky eye with two color. Yes, you heard it right, only two color, only. Generally what happens, we try to do some smoky eyes but we end up having huge dark circles with the black shadow. See, doing smoky eye is a bit tricky, but if you crack it, then you will crack it for whole life. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So first of all, I'm doing my eyebrows with a pencil. This is from Miss Claire. You can use any pomade or any powder product for this. So I'm filling the sparse area, and now with spoolie I am shaping it up so that the brow product do not lump up anywhere. So combing your eyebrow is very important to give it a perfect shape. I have done both of my eyebrows. Now moving to the concealing part. I'm concealing my eyebrow area so that it highlights my eyebrow and also fills up the mistakes I have done. After you are done with your application, just blend it out with brush or sponge. I have used sponge over here. Now my both eyes are done. Now moving to the eyeshadow part. I'm taking a pencil brush and applying orange shade on my crease. Now if you are of lighter skin than mine, then you can use peach color or brown, but I'm using orange because peach or brown wash me out generally. I'm packing the orange shade on my crease with the pencil brush. I will do the same on my other eye. Then I'll take a fluffy blending brush and blend all the color I have applied on my crease so that no harsh line is present. This blending is very important to give a flawless look to the eyeshadow part. Blend and blend. After the transition shade, we will go straight to the black color. Now I'm using a gel eyeliner to do my black portion. You can use any kajal or black eyeshadow directly. So I'm applying the black shade with a flattened brush on the lid. Make sure it should not cross the crease portion, the socket actually. So it should be under the socket. Now apply the black shade properly on both the eyes. Application is done, but make sure there should not be any harsh line. Now I will take the same blending brush and take the orange shade, for your case the shade you have applied earlier. Just blend the harsh black line. If you are using kajal, then you have to set it with black eyeshadow, or you can use black eyeshadow itself. So whatever you use, you have to make sure that you don't leave any harsh line anywhere on your eyes. So I'm blending it with the orange shade, sometimes black eyeshadow, to make sure that there is no harsh line on the crease. Now I will repeat the entire thing on my other eye. Now I am using the plum kajal on my upper lash line. You can use anything, any kohl kajal or gel liner even, to make the line. Now I will take an angular brush and do the same color coordination on my lower lash line. First I will use the orange shade to warm it up. Same on the other eye. And now with the same angular brush, I will use a black shade to intensify my lower lash line. Now here I have kept the black line till the half of my lower lash line. Now on the other eye also I am doing the same thing. Now it's time for the mascara. You should not step out of your house without mascara, and especially if you are using any eyeshadow. Now in this case I am using Wet n Wild lengthening mascara. You can use any one. You can even use your falsies to make it more dramatic. I am keeping it simple, so I am using mascara only. I have done with my eye makeup. You can use some glitter on the lid, even some shimmer on inner corner of eye and eyebrow bone to make it more gorgeous. Now let's do the full makeup and come back.
So yeah, I have kept this look as simple as possible so that you don't ending up looking like a panda. So this is the whole look. You can use any kind of loop earring with the look and to make it more crispy. So if you like our video, then give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that every time we come up with a new video, you guys get notified.